Hi, welcome back to 108 Contemporary's Embroidery Craft Kit series. In this video, you'll learn how to separate your floss and thread your needle. You'll start with the color that you'd like to start with first and pull out a desired length. I think a good rule of thumb is from the tips of your fingers with your arms stretched all the way out to the middle of your chest. Gives you enough that you don't have to change your thread very often, but you can also pull it all the way through with ease. So I already cut a length. You can see how long. It's pretty good length. Embroidery floss comes with 6 threads all rolled, twisted together. So that way you can determine your desired thickness of the thread. I like to use 2 or 3 of the threads. As you can see here, there's 6. So you'll want to separate a few so that it's not so thick that it's hard to puncture your fabric. So pick 2 that are next to each other because that makes it easiest, and start pulling them apart. And then in one hand, hold both ends and let this end, the connected end, twist as you separate it. You can also hook your thumb in between and then let the end kind of roll through your hand, and you can help twist it along as you separate and pull the fabric or pull the thread away. And there you go. You can set this thread off to the side and use it later. And there we have our 2 strands, which makes it a lot easier. So then you're going to want to thread your needle. So you'll put the fabric down, pick up your needle in one hand and your needle threader. The one in your kit will be a lot smaller than this one, but they serve the same purpose. So you'll take the tip and put it through the eye of the needle. It's a lot easier than the thread because it's pretty stable, until you have the opening on the other side. And then you'll take the end of the thread and push it through until you have about 2 inches of tail through. And then you can drop that, pick up the needle again, make sure it doesn't go through before you've got it on there, and then pull it through so that the tail pulls through, and then pull it off the threader. And then you'll pull your ends together and tie a knot. I like to use a fisherman's knot because then you can get a thick knot. So twist it over 2 times and then pull through, because it makes it a little bit thicker and that little bulb right there won't go through the fabric. And then trim off the excess. And there you go. Ready to go.